There's nothing more frustrating than getting a puncture. In this short film, I'm going to explain how to repair a tyre using the compressor and sealant kit that's provided in some Audi models. Using the kit saves both space and weight, and it works by distributing a sealant around the inside of the tyre which fills any punctures. That then allows the tyre to be re-inflated. Before we re-inflate the tyre, there's just a few precautions we need to take care of.
If you have a flat tyre, stop the car well away from moving traffic. If that isn't possible, ensure you use your hazard lights and warning triangle and high visibility clothing if available. Apply the parking brake to stop the vehicle from moving accidentally. Engage first gear or move the selector lever to position P. And finally, ensure all passengers leave the vehicle and move to a safe area.
Repairing the tyre is very straightforward, but the first thing you need to do is just inspect the wheel.
This kit works on punctures where the damage is no more than around 4 mm in diameter. The kit cannot be used if the wheel rim is damaged. If the wheel has been flat or at a low pressure for an extended period, then the kit should not be used. If you can't use the tyre kit, you will need to arrange vehicle recovery.
Our puncture is okay, and you don't have to remove the object that's actually punctured your tyre. The first thing we have to do though is actually remove the kit from under the boot floor or the side pockets.
The kit comprises of a compressor unit and a sealant kit, which also has a valve tool, spare valve and warning sticker in the bag.
So the first thing we do is take the warning sticker and place it into the driver's field of view. Then take the sealant and give it a good shake, make sure it's all mixed up, and then attach the filler to it like this, and make sure you pierce the foil. So now we remove the valve cap from the valve itself, from the tyre. Using the removal tool, pop it onto the valve itself and unscrew and remove the valve completely. Now we're going to get the fluid, pop it over the valve.
Hold the tyre sealant can upside down and fill the complete contents into the tyre. It doesn't matter where the valve is, the sealant will work its way around the tyre.
Disconnect the tube from the tyre, from the valve, and replace the valve inserts back into the valve on the tyre, utilising the same tool. So now we take the compressor, which is this item here, just open up the front cover, and that will give you access to the electrics, which will then plug into the 12-volt socket inside your car, and also the inflation tube that will then attach to the actual tyre valve itself. So now we attach the tube to the valve on the tyre like this, connect this section to the 12-volt socket, and then start your engine. So turn the compressor on by the switch at the back here. The tyre will start to inflate. Keep an eye on the gauge for the pressures, and the pressures can be found inside your owner's manual.
It will take a few minutes to inflate. If the pressure stays below the required level, drive the car a few metres to spread the sealant around the tyre. If it consistently stays low, then the tyre is too badly damaged and you will need to arrange recovery. Once inflated to the right pressure, you can drive straight away.
And that's it. You can now disconnect the tube, pop your valve cover back on, and you can now drive your car again. There's a couple of important points that you need to be aware of when first driving off. The tyre sealant will move around inside the tyre, so it's absolutely vital that you stop after 10 minutes or so and recheck the tyre pressures using the gauge. If the tyres drop below the pressures outlined in your handbook, then it could be that the tyre is too badly damaged. If it's okay, then you can drive on. But please remember these points.
The sealant means that you can drive at a maximum speed of 50 miles an hour. Accelerate, brake and corner gently. It's a temporary measure, so please see your local Audi centre or tyre retailer as soon as possible who can replace the damaged tyre.
So I hope that's shown you just how easy it is to use the tyre repair kit. But please remember this film is to be used as a guide, and you must read the instruction manual thoroughly before using the kit. And of course, if you have any further questions, then please don't hesitate to contact your local Audi centre.